Okay, I will continue from the previous class. So next we will discuss about delta connected load. So before going to delta connected load, so under the concept of phase voltage and phase current, okay. So in the case of star connected load, we saw that line current is equal to phase current, right? In the case of star connected load. So in the case of delta connected load, you have to see what will happen. Okay, here the three loads are connected in delta manner. Okay, the line voltages are VRY, VBR and VYB. Line currents are IR, IY and IB. Okay, so here the phase voltages are the voltage across the load, that is the voltage across the load is VRY, VYB and VBR. Phase currents are IRY, IYB and IBR. So here in the previous case for star connection the line current is equal to phase current, but here in this case the currents are not equal, but the phase voltages and line voltage are equal in this case. How? In the sense, carefully observe here, this is the line voltage VRY, so this is connected to R and another end is connected to Y. So this load is in parallel with this combination, therefore VRY is equal to this voltage. If we consider this between Y and B, this is the Y terminal and this is the B terminal. So between Y and B, this one, this in parallel with this VYB, therefore phase voltage is equal to line voltage. In the case of delta connected load, phase voltage is equal to line voltage, but currents are not equal. It will vary because the current is passing through the load here. Okay, the current will vary. So that's what I written here. VL is equal to VPH for delta connection. Then what's the difference between balanced load and unbalanced load? So I'll explain that concept by explaining this diagram. So here you might be observe that here you have the star connection and here you have the delta connection, and then the impedance of all these three star connected manner are equal. Here impedance are equal, therefore this is balanced load. If you come to here, one of the load is resistive and reactive capacitance and reactive inductance you have here. Here also in the delta manner the loads are varied. Okay, the angle between the loads are not equal to 120 degree. Therefore this type of loads we called unbalanced load, and this type of loads we called as an balanced load. For the balanced load, what will happen? Z, the impedances are equal and they are equally distanced by an angle of 120 degree. Okay, therefore this type of circuit is called balanced delta connected circuit. Okay, so I hope you understood this concept. If you have any doubt, you can ask me later on. Thank you.